Hi guys, it's Mark here. I just wanted to do a quick video for you. I'm not sure if I'm the only person having this problem, but there's a problem with the NFL app on the Xbox One and Windows 10. I'll show you what's going on. So, as you can see, here is my console. If we go right, left, so you know the console. And then if we push A on the app, she will try to load. With that, and then I get presented with this message. So I thought it might be the app on my console. So I deleted the app and I reinstalled it. And it's the same thing happens. And when you push OK, the app force quits itself. So if we push A again, get to show you it's not get to show you that it still does that. And then we push OK, and then the app forces the app to shut down. So I thought it might be the console. So I went to my PC. We have my own PC, and then I thought we would try the app on here. I will load the app on. So here is the app. Then if we click on that, and we wait for it to load. And it won't load because this is the both the Xbox app and the Windows 10 app will not work, but you can still watch football. Yeah? If you want to watch football, you need to go to your web browser on the PC and then go to NFL.com and then you need to sign in, which I am. Then you come over to watch games. And yes, bear with me because my net is shit. So I live in Australia and we have pretty shitty net. not like you Americans who have 1 gigabit fiber. You're lucky. But anyway, if you want to watch NFL on the network, you click on that, and there you go. So there's nothing wrong with the NFL Game Pass service. There's nothing wrong with the NFL Game Pass service. It's it's just the app on Windows.
Tonight's kickoff show is presented by
They,
YouTube TV.
they work
Live
for
TV made easy.
Kickoff less than 7 minutes.
Yeah. So if you want to watch the football, you have to go onto the web browser, go onto NFL.com to sign in, and then you can watch football. So you can't watch the football on the on either of the apps because they won't work. If anyone from Microsoft or the NFL see this video, please fix it. It is really frustrating. I want to watch my football on my big screen out in the lounge room. So please just fix it. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you soon. See you guys.